get some? Can we get some? Someday we'll look back on this ride. Top of the world, we're finally living alive.
So this is my new purchase. It's Kryptonite Kryptolock. It's second series with a 4-flex cable, and it looks very heavy duty. I'm just looking it over while the kids are resting here, watching some Nickelodeon. I just received that today and I'm going to unbox it now, and let's see how it looks. So I just had it opened. This is the package. This deck was also inside. So the cool part is that you have some mounting for your bike, and this is Kryptonite, and it has the keys and the cable. I really wanted to have the cable so I can lock the tires, or at least the front tire. Hopefully we'll see how it reaches. So yeah, this is my new purchase. It's, as you see, it's secure. Now I know that everything can be stolen, and my bike is not really expensive. Here is the bike there, but it's still my bike and I don't want it to be stolen, so I bought this baby, and let's see how this works. The baby wants to steal my bike. Yeah.
Hollywood, the land of stars. Shattered dreams will break your heart. Dripping jewels to look the part. It's my anthem, it's my anthem. Crystal glass to shine.